Welcome to Python online classes. So today we are going to learn about a game, which game is called Turtle Race. So we'll see how Turtle Race game can be written in Python and how we can execute that game and what is the result of the game. So first I will go to the code. So here I have predefined written the code. So this is my Turtle Race game. So here to run this code we required a Python with modules called math module, random module and turtle module. So three modules I have imported into my code, and then I have some windows length and width for turtle race. So it's set it as a 500, and then I have a turtles as 9. So if you change the number of turtles will be get reduced or increased based on your number. And your turtle screen size, the screen size of the game will be 500 and 500 length and height. Now this class is define the race. So how this race will contain and how this race will go start and so on. So this class contain three functions. Three functions are, one is self-defined functions initialization, and that's a construction, and second one is move and reset. So self construction, we have something called turtles and we are giving some colors. So randomly it will get some turtles. 9 turtles means 9 in 9 turtles, and it will get the 9 different colors. And thereafter we have something called pen up. We are going move up to the all the turtles, and then we have a position setting heading towards the 90. And move turtle, it will move the one by one turtle by randomly. So we don't need to move any turtle, so it will move randomly, and after moving these positions will get changed with R, with the random number. And after completion of all the moves, the which turtle gets the last state, that turtle will be the winner. And after completion of our game we can have a reset to the turtle to the same position, that is a self position. The self position is that the previous position whatever we have in the construction. So this is all about class racer. And now we'll have the setup file. So setup file is useful to write who are the winners of our title. So it will add all the winner names, and we'll see what happens with the winner. So here I have a different turtles here. So total 9 turtles, and I have a 9 colors here. So each and every turtle will get one new color, and this is a start game. So this is a game position. So what will happen, the turtles will get start the game with each and every color, and it will start the windows length. And once turtle moves, their positions will be get increased and decreased. So the show turtle. So once is a run, so until we need to call this infinite loop, the move. So when the turtles will get the highest move, that means maximum move, that end state, end point, then turtles movement will be get stopped. And once max color, whichever is give the maximum move, that means end. So that max color will be known as a winner of that respective turtle. And after getting the winners, what we need to do, we need to write all the scores into the one text file, and all the written score will be displayed by using the scores.txt. I am not using this file now, so I will show you manually that file content, and this is how I am writing all the entries to the text file. So after that, so our main program will start here. So start input, would you like to play? If you say y, then only it will play. So here I have some if condition. If say y, then it will go to the start game, otherwise it will not. If you say any other character except y, then it will say that thank you for playing. So this is all about code. Now we'll see how this program will get works by executing this code. So you will have fun, obviously. So I will go to the run module, and I say run module, and here it's my turtles play area screen size. So before that, what I will do, I will minimize this window so that you can able to see both the windows. So this is our window, and this is our play area. So now here I will say y. So y in the sense, yes, I want to play. So once you hit enter, all the turtles will come. So total number of turtles are here 9 turtles. So 9 turtles are moving. So once 9 turtles are moving, the which one is reached the destination. So with the reached destination is yellow. So this is our winner. So the winner is yellow. So now next time also it's asking would you like to play or not. So if I say again play, then what I will have, then I say again Y. So once I hit enter Y, again the turtles will get the position. So once it will get the position, and again they will start moving. So once they move, so once they reach the end point, so 230 pixels, so that the start winner will be the black. So you can here see that, so black is the winner. So now if I say I don't want to play the game, so I say n means I don't want to play the game, n, then it simply says that thank you for playing. So this is how we can play the turtle game. And now I have said some text file will be written, so I will go to the text file. So here my all projects are there, projects, so turtle game master. So here you can have the scores. So here black we won so far, and yellow I previously played, that's where your scores are updated. So this is our text file. So you can see the latest update text file is 1134, it's a just now. So this is all about turtle game. I hope you enjoyed this game. Thank you.